In this video I will show you how to get HBO Max on Prime. So if you are an Amazon Prime customer and you saw somewhere that you can get HBO Max for free, here's how you can actually claim it. Just go to the HBO Max website or app and click on sign in. From there they will usually have you enter an email address, but you don't yet have an HBO Max account. So instead what you want to do is click on create an HBO Max account, and then here you can connect your provider. Now you will already be able to find Prime right there. If you don't see directly, you can just search for Prime and then select Prime Video Channels. It will then redirect you to Amazon, because Prime is of course owned by Amazon, and then here Max would like access to Prime Video and your current subscription status. So if you're currently a subscriber of Prime Video, then it will see that and it will then get you access to HBO Max for free. Now currently I am not a Prime customer, so therefore for me it says cannot verify subscription. If you are a Prime customer, then right here it will now redirect you to HBO Max and you can now start watching it for free. So that's how to get HBO Max for free with Amazon Prime. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.